how to set a ringtone for your Instagram call. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your settings. Then once you're on your settings, make sure you are on the latest software updates. So you're gonna have to click on general, which is the first option right here. Then you have to click on the second option where it says software update. Just click on that. And as you guys can see, I'm not on the latest one, so I'm just download and install it real quick. So I did just download and install it. Now I'm back on the latest update. What you have to do from here is you're gonna have to click on under notifications, which says sound and haptics. Should be the second option. Just click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down. Should be the first option where it says ringtone. Just click on that. Now from here, change it to the one you like. You have Apex, Bacon, Bulletin. You have many options you could choose from. You could also click on tone store and buy your own tones. As you guys can see, you have many tones you could buy from, but you do have to pay for it, as you guys can see. But I'm not gonna pay for it, so I'm gonna just go back and I'm just pick one from here that's also custom. So I like this one the best, the circuit. So this would have helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. That's basically how you set custom ringtones for Instagram call phone.